Hello. Today we're going to be looking at the Moto M6. It's a 6 in 4 out interface, which means it has 6 inputs and 4 outputs. A ton of functionality. So I'm gonna go over that real fast and show you what you will essentially get within the box.
Yeah, boy.
Obviously, you have the beautiful interface. Going to the smaller box first. It's just the power box. And what I love about this, depending on what part of the country you're in, sockets are different.
Surprise!
That's very cool and helpful. Next, you have the actual interface itself. Beautiful quality. Compared to my Focusrite, metal feels like metal. Focusrite is like fake plasticky metal. All the knobs and switches feel very smooth. Nice heft to it. Once you register your device, you get access to VSTs, their DAW, and access to Ableton Lite. So that's very nice. But going back into the box, only other things that come in the box is 2 USB cables. You got C to C and C to A. The audio interface cannot be powered on USB alone, so just whatever connection method you would like to use for a higher quality. I know C to C is better, but C to A is still going to give you very good quality. So that's pretty much it in the box. I already registered it too, so
I'll try to stop registration.
in another video I'm gonna compare the 2 audio interfaces, see if there is an audible difference, the difference in how it just works, process the sounds. I'm pretty sure the Motu is gonna blow it out of the water because the Focusrite is a entry-level audio interface. They don't come with a lot of strong built-in algorithms that the more expensive audio interface come with. We are on the road to 100. Subscribe now to become one of the OG 100 G's. Let's get it. Let's run it up. Let's go. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on one of the links up here. Check out more content from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay chillin'. Keep creating.